Hello everyone, I am Hayakalia from Sanchay CRM. Let's talk about one of the most underrated but powerful feature of Sanchay CRM, exporting data from the list view. Why is it powerful? Because when you export data smartly, you turn your CRM into insight and insight into actions. Think about it. Your CRM holds everything: your clients, leads, AUM, SIPs, insurance, meetings, and follow ups. Exporting this data helps you analyze, plan, and grow your business strategically. Now, let's take one real life example to see how easy it is to export data from the list view in Sanchay CRM. Let's say we are having one investment awareness event next week. So we need to share a calling list with our telecalling team. The team does not need the full details, just the contact name, phone, and city. So I will make a simple and focused list for that. So in Sanchay CRM, I will open the client module, and here from the list view, I will go to the select column selection option. And from here, I will select only the fields which are really important for the list. As I said earlier, contact name, phone number, and city. So I will uncheck rest of the options from here and select only the contact name, phone, and city. And click on save. So now I am having the list of contact name, phone, and city. So I will go here and tick this checkbox to select all the visible records over here. And from this arrow, I will click on select all option to select each and every record from the filter list. As you can see at the top, here I am having export button. Click on it, choose your preferred format. I will choose Excel, and boom, my calling list is ready to download. Here from the mass section, in mass section you can see client Excel export. Click on it and your sheet is ready to download. So my list is ready. So here is my list which is downloaded in the system. In just a few seconds, I have a neat Excel sheet that I can share with the calling team. So they can start reaching out to the right people immediately without any unnecessary details or confusion. And here, something even more smarter. Whenever you export data from the Sanchay CRM, you will receive an email copy of that Excel file to ensure security. And here in email, you will get an email copy. So as you can see here, this email confirms that the export is performed from your user ID along with the specific date and time, gives you and provides you the full security and transparency. But remember, not everyone in your organization should have export permissions. Relationship managers and advisors can view and update the data. Only admins and team leaders can have export permissions because your CRM has sensitive data. So stay secure and private. So exporting is not just about downloading the data. It's about making your business more efficient and data driven. Whether it's about reviewing leads, planning a campaign, or analyzing growth, export feature in Sanchay CRM helps you do it quickly, neatly, and professionally. So export smarter, follow up faster, and grow stronger. Only with Sanchay CRM.